Having video content on your site is just a great idea all around. It's more engaging than just typical writing. It's always good from an SEO standpoint in order to, kind of drum up organic traffic. If you're doing a lot of video blogging and you're sharing those videos out a lot, it's going to be great for your SEO over time. So to add a video to a blog post, it's really easy. We just have some super basic tools with EasyAgentPro. I'm going to go ahead here into the blog section. And as you can see, we can just create a new post really quick. And I'm just going to go ahead and take a random video from our YouTube channel. So, how to become a marketing storyteller here. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and pause that quick. So, so we just have just our video loaded up on this tab. I'm just going to give this a quick title. How to become marketing storyteller. And we're going to see how easy it is to integrate YouTube videos into a blog post or page. So all you're going to do is click this little plus sign. And then if you start searching for YouTube, you're going to see that an embed widget comes up. And literally all you have to do is take this URL, we're going to copy it, we're going to paste it into here, and we're going to click embed. So now we've embedded our YouTube video straight into the page. It's going to appear live on the page. You can add a caption. As you can see below, you can add more text. So, with some folks, you might have some accompanying, description or something that you want to chat a little bit about. Below that, you can add a contact form. You can add an IDX search thing, anything you really might want to do. And this doesn't have to just be videos that you do yourself. If you have some really cool drone footage of a local area, or maybe the news did a recap on a community event that comes up every year, no reason not to just go ahead and add that to a blog post, embed it in the page, and then just have it as fresh content on the site. So just going to see how easy this is. I just go ahead and I click publish, and then I click view post. And we are just going to be able to see this live on your site.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching this episode of EAP TV. If you want to see more, click the circular EAP logo to the left to subscribe, or you can watch more videos by clicking on the links to the right.